Hello student, today I am going to solve some questions from T.S. Goodwill's under the average profit method. So let me explain the question first, then I will solve it here. Profit for the 5 years ending 31st March are as follows. For 2019, 12,000, 2020, 18,000, 2021, 22,000 and 2022 14,000, 2023 19,000. So 5 years profit it is given, and we have to calculate the goodwill on the basis of average profit method. So here it is written, calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of 5 years average profit. So as the method it is already explained or asked under the average profit. So first of all we have to calculate the average profit of the first 5 years, because 5 years profit it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we'll calculate first, we'll write average profit of last 5 years. Clear? So whenever we will calculate, what we will do? We will add the average profit, all the average profit. What are the average profit? 12,000, 18,000, 22,000, 14,000 and 19,000. This profit you have to add it. Clear? To get the average profit. So 12,000 plus 18,000 plus 22,000 plus 14,000 plus 19,000, and the number of year it is given 5, so we have to divide by 5. Clear? We have to divide by 5. For finding the average profit, the total profit of the given years, whatever the years it is given, we have to add it and we will divide it by the number of years. So we have to add it first. 10, 12, 16, 25, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 85,000. 85,000 divided by 5, that is 17,000. This is the average profit of the 5 years. Clear? And condition what is given? Calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. So we'll write the goodwill equal to average profit into number of purchase year. Average profit into number of purchase year. Clear? I already told in the last video, average profit it is given in the question. Only you have to calculate the average profit. And the method for calculation of average profit is how many years profit it is given. Suppose 3 years profit it is given, so you have to add it and you have to divide it by 3. If 4 years it is given, you have to add all the 4 years profit and you have to divide it by 4. So this is the first average profit you will find out. Number of purchase year it will be given. Here it is given 3 years purchase. So 17,000 into 3. Clear? So it will be 51,000. So this is the simply question is asked, calculate the goodwill. So goodwill of the firm is valued at 51,000. Clear? So let me explain some another questions. That is from the T.S. Goodwill questions. Purab and Purvi are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Here it is written, they admit into partnership for 1/4 share on 1st April 2023. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued 4 times. Here it is given 4 times the average annual profit of previous 4 or 5 years, whichever is higher. This is the condition. 4 or average profit of 4 years or average profit of 5 years. Whichever is higher, that will be calculated or used for the calculation of goodwill. Here it is written they agreed profit, for that means for the goodwill purpose of the past 5 years where it is given. 2019 14,000, 20 15,500, 21 10,000, 22 16,000, 23 15,000. So first we'll calculate average profit of the past 4 years. Clear? Average profit of past 4 years. Remember one thing, whenever you calculate the average profit of past 4 years, that means take the value from this side, 23, 22, 21, 20. Not from this side, 19, 20, 22, 21, 22. Not from this side, you will take from this side. 23, year 23, then 22, then 21, then 20. Okay? So, how will you calculate it? You have to add it. Clear? 15,000 here. 2023 value is 15,000 plus 16,000 plus 10,000 and 15,500. Clear? Divided by 4. Last 4 year it is given. So this is the last 4 year. Not from, don't take from this side. It will be wrong. Clear? So you will add it. It will be 500. So 56,500 divided by 4. So it will be 14,125. Clear? This is the average profit of the past 4 years. And condition is average profit of the past 4 years or 5 years, whichever is higher. So again you have to calculate average profit of the 5 years. Average profit of 5 years. 5 years. So here only 5 years profit it is given, so we have to add it. So here we will write it 15,000 plus 16,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,500 plus 14,000. That also you have to add it. Clear? Divided by 5. Divided by 5. We have to divide it by 5. So what will be the value? We will add it. 500 it will come. Clear? 70,500 by 5. So it will be 14,100. So this is the average profit of last 4 years. 14,125. Average profit of 5 years is 14,100. So which is higher? This is the higher value, more. So we will use this value for calculating the goodwill. So goodwill equal to, right? Goodwill equal to 14,125 into, what is the number of years? Here it is written 4 times. So we will multiply by 4. Clear? So 56,500. It will be the value. Clear? So that means now I am going to solve another more questions. Clear? This is also, that means from the TS Goodwill. So first I am reading the questions. Here Madhu and Vidhi are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. they decided to admit Manu as a partner from 1st April 2021 on the following terms. First, Manu will be given 2/5 share of profit. This is one condition. Then second condition, goodwill of the firm will be valued at 2 years purchase of 3 years normal average profit. 2 years. Clear? The profit of the previous 3 years it is given. First, 2023, 2022, 2021. 3 years profit it is given. But in this question you will get the treatment of abnormal profit and abnormal loss. Clear? So what is abnormal profit and abnormal loss? Let me explain. Abnormal, that means this is not related to the business or the firm. The profit or loss, it is not related to that means no common activities of the firm. That is known as abnormal profit or abnormal loss. So here it is written, profit 2023 it is given 30,000 after debiting loss of stock of fire 40,000. That is abnormal loss. Due to loss of fire 40,000, profit now it is 30,000. So profit of, first we will find the profit of each year. So profit for the year, profit for the year 2023 equal to how much? This is the profit 30,000 plus this is abnormal loss. Abnormal loss, you can write abnormal loss rupees 40,000. So abnormal loss we have to add it. That means the profit of 2023 is 70,000. Clear? Similarly, for 2022, here it is given loss, already firm suffer a loss, includes voluntary retirement compensation paid. Voluntary retirement, that is abnormal profit, abnormal. Clear? So when that means 1,10,000, that means if due to this the loss is, that means how much? 80,000. That means credit side is more and debit side is less. So in case of loss, what you will write? That means loss was 80,000. Loss, write it bracket, plus here we will write. That means abnormal profit. Abnormal profit means now that means the loss it will be less and there will be profit also because this will be added. So the profit will be how much? The actual profit for 2022 is 30,000. Clear? Similarly for 2021, profit of 1,10,000 includes gain or of rupees 30,000 on the sale of fixed asset. That is abnormal profit. But here it is given profit. For profit you will write separately. So you will write profit, here it is given 1,10,000 profit minus abnormal profit. Abnormal profit. Abnormal profit. Abnormal profit is how much? That is 30,000. So the profit will be how much? 80,000. So now after getting the profit of 3 years, now we will find the average profit. Average profit. So average profit equal to, so you have to add the 3 years profit, 70,000 plus 30,000 plus 80,000 divided by 3. Clear? So it will be how much? 1,80,000 divided by 3. So average profit will be 60,000. So what is that? That means number of purchase heritage written 2. So let goodwill equal to average profit into number of purchaser. Average profit it is 60,000 into number of purchaser 2. So goodwill will be how much? 1,20,000. Clear? Don't confuse about this statement about that means admission of Manu, about his share, and question is asked about the calculation of goodwill. So we have to calculate the value of goodwill. So what is the value of the goodwill of the firm? That is 1,20,000. So one more questions, that is let me explain about the one more questions. Clear? Here Abhay and Babu, that means are partners sharing profit and losses equally. They agreed to admit Daman for equal share of profit. For this purpose, the value of goodwill is to be calculated on the basis of 4 years purchase of average profit of the last 5 years. These profits for the year ended 31st March, here it is given, for 2019 1,50,000, 2020 3,50,000, 2021 5,00,000, 2022 7,10,000, and 2023 5,90,000. So it is given. Then here it is given, on 1st April 2022, a car of rupees 1,00,000 was purchased. That is car and assets. Whenever a asset it is purchased, it is capital nature and debited to travelling expenses account. Clear? But wrongly it is treated as travelling expenses, means revenue expenditure it is treated as. Actually that means whenever we will purchase any assets, that is coming under the, that means capital nature, but by that means wrongly it is treated as revenue nature, then on which depreciation is to be charged 25% per annum. When it is purchased, that is 1st April 2022. So we have to see it is coming under which accounting year, because it will give effect to that accounting year only. Then here another information, interest of rupees 10,000 on non-trade investment, that is non-trade investment, that is abnormal profit. Clear? Is credited to income for the year ended 31st March 2022 and 23. Calculate the value of goodwill after adjusting the above. So we have to, that means explain it again. We have to solve, that means in this way we have to solve it, because here it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years it is given, and adjustment also it is given. So we have to write it separately. Clear? Here we have to write it 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Clear? That is here it is given. First we write the profit. Profit here it is given. Here it is given, that means profit in rupees, you write, give the rupees sign, 1,50,000. Here it is given 3,50,000. Clear? Here it is given 5,00,000. Here it is given 7,10,000. And here it is given loss. Bracket means it is loss, 5,90,000. Clear? Generally accounting year start from 1st April. So that means here it is written 1st April 2022. That means this is coming under this accounting year. 23 means 1st April 2022 to 31st May 23. Under this accounting year it is coming. That means the car was purchased in this accounting year. Clear? So that means 1 lakh. That means already shown in the profit and loss account. Because it is debited to travelling expenses means we showed it as revenue nature. Due to which loss increase. Loss became 5,90,000. Now we have to treat it. That means you see now here it is capital nature. We have to, that means before that it was treated as revenue nature. Now you have to treat it capital nature. Capital nature means now 1 lakh we have to add it here. Clear? Because due to 1 lakh, that means loss increased to 5,90,000. So if will, that means now we have to, that means we will not write 1 lakh. So profit will, loss will reduce. So now loss will be 4,90,000. Clear? So we'll write it wrongly treated revenue nature. Treated revenue nature. Clear? Depreciation also. Depreciation you have to charge it less depreciation. Depreciation. Depreciation means it will minus only. So 1,25% depreciation. Here it is written. Depreciation is 25%. So 25,000 we have to minus it. This is. Now it will be H. We are going to treat it. That means capital nature. Assets. So if we are using the asset, depreciation will be there. So depreciation is 25%. So 1,25%, 25,000. Here it is given. Non-trade investment 10,000. So that is abnormal profit. So where that means it is credited to 2022 and 23. Here it is written 22, 23. In these 2 years, non-trade investment. So here also will minus 10,000. Here also will minus 10,000. Clear? Now, that means 2019 profit was, that means before that only, means here it is 1,50,000. Here it is 3,50,000. Here it is 5 lakh. Here it is 7 lakh. And here you see now 5,90,000, 6 lakh, 6 lakhs 25, means all that means minus, you will, that means bracket value will add it. It will be 6 lakhs 25 and 1 lakh, that will be 5 lakh 25. It will also be loss 5 lakh 25. Clear? Now we have to calculate average profit. Average profit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write it here. Average profit of 5 years. Profit of 5 years. 5 years. So we'll write the value 1,50,000 plus 3,50,000 plus 5 lakh plus 7 lakh minus, we'll write 5 lakh 25, because whenever there will be loss we have to minus it. Clear? Divided by 5. Clear? So it will be how much? Let me calculate it. It will be 5, 10, 17, 17 minus, say 11, 5 lakh 25, that means 11 lakhs 75,000. 11 lakhs 75,000 divided by 5. 5, 5, 10, 17, 17 minus 5 lakh 25. 11 lakh 75. So you have to divide it by 5. So it will be 5 to the 10, 5, 3. 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25, then 2,35,000. So goodwill, how it will be calculated? Here it is written, goodwill will be calculated on the basis of 4 years purchase. So you have to multiply it by 4. Clear? So goodwill equal to 2,35,000 into 4. Clear? So you have to multiply it. $9,40,000. Clear? This is, that means all about the capital nature treatment, revenue nature treatment, the non-trade investments, abnormal profit. I already explained it. So in the next video I will explain some more questions about the average profit method.